In this video, we're going to be looking at step-ups, which are a great single leg exercise. I'm working off 20 inches here, which for me is around knee height. So when I perform a step-up, the basic technique is stepping onto the box. From there, bringing the other leg on top before stepping back down. From there, we can perform the remaining reps on that leg, leading with the same leg, or we can alternate each time, like so. This can be loaded with a weight to the front, dumbbells to the sides, or even with a barbell on your back. Common faults we see, if we don't have the strength in the quad, is people throw the other leg up before standing up. A second fault we see is the good morning fault before standing up. And the third fault we see is not extending the hips, so staying low. One way we can counter the lack of extension in the hips is to step onto the box and drive the opposite knee through. Whenever we drive the knee through, think dorsiflexion, toes towards your shin. So stand on the box, drive the knee through to ensure the full hip extension. So they really are a great exercise for the legs. If we want to work the hips a little bit harder, specifically the glutes, we can take the box higher to get a greater range of hip flexion, more stretch through the glute. It's going to be a lot harder to drive up to the top position.